Guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to look at the symptoms of Japanese beetles and how to prevent them. Let's get started. Introduction to Japanese beetles. Japanese beetles are invasive pests from Japan that have spread across the US. They have green heads and copper-brown wing coverings. They differ from other beetles in that they have white patches along the abdomen. Symptoms of the pest and the damage they cause. Do you have garden plants like raspberries or roses? If yes, you should watch out for Japanese beetles in your garden, since they like feeding on such. Adult Japanese beetles are easy to spot since you may find them munching on plants or flying around the garden. Japanese beetles are a gardener's worst nightmare since they can cause plant damage. These insects feed on the plant fiber of leaves. They can make your lawn develop brown patches that don't turn green. Apart from leaving skeletonized leaves in a lawn, these beetles can also cause total defoliation. How to get rid of the pest. If you've noticed Japanese beetles in your garden, you can get rid of them in the following ways. Handpicking. Pick the Japanese beetles from the garden and drop them into soapy water. Do this for a few days until you no longer spot more Japanese beetles on the lawn. Chemical insecticides. You can kill adult Japanese beetles using chemical insecticides. Do this when it's less windy to reduce the risk of chemical insecticides killing beneficial insects, like pollinators. Use repellent sprays. You can also use homemade repellent sprays on your plants to control Japanese beetles. Some smells repel these insects, such as garlic spray and cedar spray. How to prevent them. Experts recommend keeping the landscape healthy to prevent Japanese beetles from infesting it. Here are a few tips. Companion plantings. One helpful strategy that can help prevent Japanese beetles is companion planting. Try planting tansy, rue, or garlic close to affected areas in your garden, since this can deter the Japanese beetles. Stop watering the lawn. Japanese beetles tend to lay eggs in the soil. Since these eggs require moisture to survive, you should stop watering the lawn during the egg-laying season. Japanese beetles lay eggs around June to August. Choose resistant plants. Plan the garden to resist Japanese beetles by selecting plants that they don't like. Some of the plants they are resistant to include lilac bushes, magnolia trees, and dogwood trees. Thanks for watching.